Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on a PlayStation 5 console with the Cronus Zen. Many gamers prefer the feel of their PlayStation 4 controller, and with the right setup, you can continue using it on your PlayStation 5. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to bridge the two systems using the Cronus Zen device, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. It's a straightforward process once you understand the connections. Before we begin, gather your essential equipment. You will need your Cronus Zen device, along with its two included USB cables, typically a micro USB and a mini USB. It is vital to update your Cronus Zen's firmware to the most current version using the Zen Studio software on a computer. Of course, you will also need your PlayStation 4 controller and your PlayStation 5 console ready for connection. Now, let's connect everything. First, navigate to your PlayStation 5 system settings and turn off Bluetooth. Then, connect the Cronus Zen's console USB port to any available USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. Next, plug your PlayStation 4 controller into the A1 USB port on the Cronus Zen. Finally, ensure your PlayStation 5's power-saving settings for controllers turn off is set to don't turn off for uninterrupted play. For continuous use, the Cronus Zen device must remain physically connected to your PlayStation 5 console at all times while gaming. Be aware that while many games will work, some PlayStation 5 exclusive titles might not offer full compatibility with a PlayStation 4 controller, even through the Zen. Always remember to periodically check for and install the latest Cronus Zen firmware updates to ensure the best performance and compatibility. If your controller isn't responding, a quick press of the blue reset button on the Zen can often resolve it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.